Jack here. Now, I know, I said I was going to do more Amazon, like the tactical videos and, you know, actually showing you tutorials and stuff. I know I am getting to it, trust me. I have heaps of ideas in mind that I'm going to share with you guys here on the channel. But I have been busy, and I've been busy sorting out this move, because if you guys didn't know, I'll be moving to Brisbane very, very soon. I'm sorting out stuff, my unit that I'm renting down there, and just sorting out things. I've had to travel a lot. As you guys know, I went to PAX as well, so I've been quite busy, but there are videos coming. But I wanted to do this video here today, and I thought it was easier if I would just film it, just film me talking about it. I know some of you guys probably find these videos boring, but if you guys want to keep up to date, I know you guys need these fill-in videos for what's going on and, you know, any updates. But as you can see, probably from the title of this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about where I want the direction of this channel to head and my vision for the future, because I've always got stuff planned ahead, and I'm going to talk to you guys a bit about that, where I want this channel to go and where I want to go, my career path and all that kind of stuff. So if you guys didn't know, this YouTube channel is primarily Amazon Australia, just more so like Amazon tactics. As you guys know, Ecom Excellence, repping the brand. I just went to the gym, by the way. It was awesome. If you guys ever do gym in the morning, try do it fasted. So I haven't eaten yet, and it makes your skin feel so much tighter, and it just really puts you in a good mood for the day. That's probably another reason why I want to film this video now, because I'm in such a good mood after the gym. So yeah, so the Amazon, the channel is primarily Amazon Australia, and that's what Ecom Excellence is all about. That's my course, if you guys didn't know. I've been teaching people how to sell on Amazon here in Australia for about 1.5 years now, and we have almost 200 students in the course now, and it's going well. Like, people are starting to get results now, and yes, the market is not as big as the US. Obviously, it's not going to be as big as the US, and it's taking time to grow. I still think personally that it's going to be another 3 to 5 years until it hits its peak, but there are students already selling as well, already hitting, you know, the 3 to 5K per month, as you see with Albas, and then there's other students here hitting the 1K and above in sales per month already, and that's in the slow stages of selling. I can guarantee you that these students here in you know, 2, 3 to maybe 5 years now, they're going to be hitting those 20, 30K per month, 50K per month when the market really flourishes. So without a doubt, I can't wait to see those early students who are in there now making those sales if they stick with it. Without a doubt, you'll be seeing those numbers there for sure in time. So apart from that, yes, this channel is predominantly Amazon Australia, but I want to take it, not just Amazon Australia. Don't worry, I'm not taking it away from Amazon. I'll always have Amazon there. I'll always have the course. It'll always be updated. I'll always make sure that those students are taken care of, because that's my first initial online education business. That's always going to be, you know, one of my top priorities for you know, business wise, and taking care of the students in there. So no, I'm not going away from Amazon at all, but what I want to do is I want to take it, and I don't know if this screen has gone dark. I think it's because it's getting really, really hot. Sorry if the video goes a bit faded. I'm not sure what's going on. My phone's in the sun, so we'll see how we go. But yeah, I don't want to just do Amazon for the entirety of my career. What I basically want to do is, yes, still teach Amazon, still have my course there, but I want to branch into the whole Aussie entrepreneurial side of things. So that could be that's why I've been doing videos on mindset. That's why I've been doing, you know, all these videos on planning, work-life balance, all those kinds of things, because I feel that in order to be successful with anything, like in terms of Amazon, online business, in order to do what you want to do, I need to talk about mindset. I need to really be strong in the sense of, you know, this work-life balance stuff, in the sense of fixing your thoughts and fixing, you know, the way that you control your thoughts and ideas, and fixing your attitude towards things, because that's one of the most important things as well. And, you know, I really believe that in order to have a successful online business, you really need to focus on your mindset. So I'm going to be branching out, and you'll see this you know, coming through. That's why I'm doing a lot of face-to-face videos. You'll see this come through more and more in the future, of me talking about mindset. Now, if I have a venture like a Shopify venture and I have success with that, or if I sell on eBay, I have success with that, I'm gonna show you guys as well. I don't want this to be predominantly Amazon selling, even though, you know, I still work on my own Amazon sales, which you guys will see in the future as well, because I still want to, you know, regrow my platform with that. If you guys didn't know, in terms of my own Amazon selling, I'm just basically feeling out the Aussie market right now, getting some products in, and then, you know, slowly try and grow my seller platform in there, because I was predominantly on the US, but now that all my students and whatnot are on the Aussie market, I want to show them, you know, what can be done on the Aussie market, and it will take time for me to grow my own sales on there. So that's a process in itself, but I'm still growing, you know, my own Amazon sales. But the only reason I'm doing that is to show the students and show my followers, you know, what can be done, and to really help the morale and bring motivation to you guys to sell on there as well. Because I personally believe in Amazon Australia, and I'll only talk about, and, you know, if I have a course on it, you know, if I'm selling something on it, I'll only talk about stuff that I believe in. So I'm not, you know, being Australian, if you guys didn't know, you know, if you're an Aussie, they really don't like all that uproar and all the flashy stuff like what the Americans might do. Now, I don't find anything wrong with that, but Aussies are more straight to the point. They don't want fluffy stuff. They don't want bullshit. They don't want anything like that. And I feel the same in that sense. I'm not going to try and inflate or sugarcoat anything like that. I'm pretty realistic when it comes to this stuff, and I know that this stuff takes time. But yeah, I'm just going to be straightforward with you guys with pretty much anything that brings to the table. If you ask me questions, any videos or anything like that, I'm kind of thinking that this video's turned into a bit of a rant instead of where the direction this channel's heading. But look, I'm just flowing off thoughts that are going through my head. So yeah, I'll always be real with you guys, especially when it comes to uploading videos. But yeah, I want to stay with Amazon Australia. Obviously, that's not going anywhere. That is the main core of my business at the moment, is teaching other people how to sell on Amazon, and helping them, you know, guiding them through their own online businesses. But yes, it will be moving also to the direction of just entrepreneurial side of things, mindset, because some people who come to this channel might not want to do Amazon. They might want to do Shopify. They might want to sell on eBay. They might want to have their own arts and crafts where they sell online, whatever it may be. I want them to come to this channel and find value out of it as well. So I'll be moving in the direction of that. And then basically, you know, apart from that, it's going to be a growth process in itself, because at the moment, as it stands, I've got, you know, we've got around 200 students, and subscribers wise, I think we're about 2,000 subs. Now, I'm not a big advocate for just looking at the numbers, but you know, we've still got a small community, and the Facebook group now I think is about 700, maybe 750 for the private Facebook group. If you want to join that, it's down below as well. But yeah, I'm just going to be growing that, and eventually as well, one of my main goals down the line will be to, you know, help other businesses out in the online education business space, and I've got plans to do that as well. I'm not going to talk too much about it, because I'd rather just show you guys once it's done than to just talk about it all. But I want to give you guys, you know, some idea as to what the direction's going into when it comes to, you know, this channel, and what I'm trying to bring to you guys, all the value I'm trying to bring to you guys. So things that you know, to be expected for you guys to see on this channel is, one, definitely more mindset, entrepreneurial side videos, stuff that might not be related to Amazon, you know, the core basis of it, but you know, stuff that can be related to, you know, entrepreneurial side of things as an Aussie, you know, in total. But you still will see Amazon videos as well. For number 2, you still will see Amazon videos. I still will be updating. I'm working on the 4.0 update for Ecom Excellence as well. And if you guys didn't know, I'm going to plug this in here as well. We still have spots left before the price goes up. What I'm doing is it's $3.99 AUD for the entirety of the course. That comes with unlimited support from myself, access to the private Facebook group as well. If you do want to get started selling on Amazon, we've got about 20 maybe to 25 spots left as well. If you are interested in that, link going to be the first link down below. So if you're interested, get into that. But apart from that, you will, you know, I am still working on the update. You will still see Amazon videos, and I've just been hella busy. Like, it's amazing. I've just been realizing that I'm getting more and more questions every day from different people. I'm getting, you know, more active people in the Facebook group, and I'm getting just more movement around the whole business and around Amazon selling. There's more awareness coming from it. It's just amazing to see things flow, and I know it's going to take time. I'm very patient, but I know that, you know, there's just a lot of work to be done, and, you know, we'll get it done. So that's pretty much all I want to talk about today. Just the direction of where this channel's heading, and I'll probably end up turning this into a podcast. If you guys know me, turn this one into a podcast, because I want to get the word out there to where this channel direction's heading. And if you have any suggestions, if for what you guys want to see, you know, just please comment or message me for what you want to see, because I know you guys are struggling with a lot of stuff. If you guys aren't in the course, and you're trying to learn how to do it, you know, I don't expect anyone of you guys to buy the course. You know, the course is for people who want an in-depth thing, who want to get involved in the community, who want a step-by-step blueprint, and who want, you know, to be able to ask questions about the course to me and about, you know, to the other students as well. So that's why the course is there, for people who want to get involved in everything as well. And you can learn, you know, this stuff from YouTube, and, you know, you can get it all sorted out yourself. But I know a lot of people struggle when it comes to getting started, especially beginners. They want a step-by-step. They want something that they can follow. That's why I've got a big checklist in there as well. It's called the Ultimate Checklist in the course as well. So really, you know, I don't expect any of you guys to buy the course, you know, that I've done. It's got nothing to do with that. I just want to bring you guys value, and I just want to bring you, you know, just not so much motivation, but words of encouragement that you guys can do this as well. And even if you're a beginner, you can do it as well. So if you do have any questions or videos that you want to see, comment down below. I'm more than happy to answer anything that you have. I just want to bring value to you guys. But apart from that, guys, I hope you guys are doing well, and I promise that very, very soon you will start seeing more, maybe tomorrow, but you'll start seeing more tactical Amazon videos and stuff. I might even do, I think it's a part 4 of how to sell on Amazon Australia, so that'll be coming very, very soon. And I've got a lot of video ideas lined up alongside with me completing the Ecom Excellence 4.0 update. So a lot of big stuff coming, a lot of work to do, but I'm very, very excited. But that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Make sure to comment any ideas that you have for any videos that you want to see, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. See you guys very, very soon.